Yeah, I've been looking for the perfect art desk for a while now, and I think I finally have a solution.
So I had a couple of requirements that I couldn't seem to find anywhere. This tilting top, which could lay flat or relatively flat and be propped up to whatever angle I wanted. Also, I wanted these large drawers, because the last thing I want to do is dig through deep drawers. I wanted shallow drawers where I could see everything that I needed to find. So there's two pretty simple parts to this desk, and it can be done with anything from, in this case, a tool chest with an IKEA tabletop to any kind of table to a piece of plywood. I used this because it already had all these drawers that are pretty convenient. Here's a chef's knife mount, magnetic, for palette knives. And I'll put in the description below a link to these brush holders, which are just elastic, metal elastic. They can fit any size brush. At the bottom here, I've just glued on any piece of wood to keep canvases on the desk as you tilt it. And most of these tool chests are on caster wheels, so you can roll it around your studio. Metal obviously works with magnets, which is convenient for paper towel holders and brush holders and whatever else you want to stick on it. Here you can get a look at the simple design. It's made up of 4 hinges. And as you lift the back of the tabletop, there's 2 legs that brace the angle that you want. So I made this pretty much as simple as I could. You can get as elaborate as you want, but you can see that there's 2 hinges at the top, and the legs just rest against these pieces of wood I've screwed in to keep it from slipping. At the front edge, you can see there's 2 more hinges, and those are what create the pivot point for the top. And that's it, so it's a really simple design. I'm surprised I don't see more of these out there. You could cut these legs to any length you want. This desk also has power on the side, which is pretty convenient. And again, more magnetic storage. But really, you could be using anything you wanted for this design. You could use a kitchen table and a piece of plywood. So there you have it. It's a really simple idea for an art desk that only involves 4 hinges and whatever you got lying around the house. I hope you enjoyed it, and take it easy.